David Wheeler over here cooking tenderloin.
And he lost his voice last night. So I have Lauren Hirschberg, who is a world-class chef from New Jersey, coming in to help.
We're cooking on the Green Mountain Grills. John David's gonna throw in some lobster tails. Those are gonna cook for about 5 minutes. Once they're done, they're gonna get chopped up and they'll get folded into our cream sauce. On the side, we made a plain risotto. We started off with some Spanish onions, sweated out in butter, added some risotto, arborio rice, and we toasted up. Added some white wine, and then we cooked it down with some chicken stock. Tenderloin, beef tenderloin, best part of the meat. When you get it, it's gonna come in like this. It's got this white part over here. It's called the silver skin. Gotta clean that off. After that, we season it up, just simple salt and pepper rub. Goes in the cooker.
275 for about 55, 60 minutes.
Comes out at 120, 125. Come out, we got a nice smoked tenderloin. All right, folks, thank you, coming out.